If you want to get tasks into the right place in Todoist fast, this is the easiest method to use. In this video, I'll show you how to assign tasks to specific projects in Todoist using a simple keyboard shortcut and a quick text command. This is perfect when you want to stay organized, save time, and avoid manually moving tasks after you create them. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple productivity guides like this. Let's jump in. The fastest method is to let Todoist read the task details as you type. Todoist is designed to understand natural text commands, which means you can create a task and send it straight into the right project without extra clicking. To begin, press the Q key on your keyboard. This opens the task creator instantly, so you do not have to hunt through menus or buttons. Once the task window appears, start by typing your task description. You can type anything you want here, such as buy groceries, draft proposal, or follow up with client. Keep it clear and simple, because this is the main task text that will show up in Todoist. Now comes the important part. After your task description, type the hashtag symbol or the number sign followed immediately by the project name. For example, if you want the task to go into shopping, you would type buy groceries for shopping. If you want it in work, you could type draft proposal of work. This tells Todoist exactly which project to use. As soon as you type the project name after the hashtag, Todoist will usually show a predictive drop-down menu. This is helpful because it lets you confirm the correct project if you have similar names or if you are not sure about the exact spelling. Use your arrow keys or mouse to select the right project, or just press enter if the correct one is already highlighted. After that, press enter again to save the task. Todoist will instantly create the task and route it directly into the project you selected. That means the task is already organized the moment you add it, which is one of the biggest time savers in the app. This method is especially useful if you manage a busy personal to-do list, work projects, school assignments, or client tasks. Instead of creating a task first and organizing it later, you can put it in the right project immediately. That keeps your workspace cleaner and makes it much easier to focus on what actually needs to get done. If you want to get even faster, practice using the Q shortcut and the project hashtag together. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. You can create tasks in seconds, and over time this can make a huge difference in how quickly you capture ideas and action items. So to recap, press Q to open the task creator, type your task, add the hashtag and project name, choose the project from the drop-down if needed, and press enter to save. That's all it takes to assign tasks to specific projects in Todoist. If this video helped, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you know when more Todoist tips and productivity tutorials are uploaded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.